Lulia Vantur would be now singing for Tubelight, the upcoming Salman Khan film, which is set to be released on Eid 2017. Well, this is indeed great news for all Lulia fans who have already appreciated her reprised version of Baby Ko Bes Pasand Hai. Well, Lulia did take Hindi lessons and apparently her present Tubelight song would be a part of the main soundtrack. Well, that is indeed great news for all Salu fans too. Salman and Lulia were rumored to be married in November last year, are continuing in their own way in their respective life and are giving fans a different news each time. Well, we are an excited lot today and have all the need to get more from this Dabangg icon. Lulia is sure to surprise her fans with a Hindi training, and aren't we eager to hear this song? What is your opinion about this song? Malaika Arora rocks in this white outfit that is a perfect beginning to the summer that has already started taking its heat wave up. Well, if the climate is hot, then Malaika is looking hot, for it's only she who can slay in this type of a white outfit and know how to carry off a casual white so gracefully. Yet, when a beggar apparently asked her for money, she didn't have a bag in spite of a stupendous style quotient. Is this what Malaika is all about? Malaika is just in the process of having a split with hubby Arbaz Khan and is surely one of the most sensuous and hot quotients that are doing the rounds in Bollywood. The Chaya Chaya girl is really a dress diva and a style icon for many, and we wonder how she is able to maintain a fab body in spite of being a mother. Seen in many movies, Malaika is the perfect style icon for so many girls who would like to be like her. Also a judge in reality shows, Malaika sure is here to stay with this white outfit for setting the trend for a happy summer and a fab quotient. With so much happening, we only wonder when Malaika would release her own yearly calendar with the best of dress fashion in town. How do you find Malaika's white outfit? Do let us know. Family picture of the Bachchan Parivar was shared by Big B, and we must say that Amitabh Bachchan and wifey Jaya Bachchan along with Abhishek Bachchan and Shweta Nanda look picture perfect. The caption, "We are family," did raise quite a few eyebrows. Why? Well, daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and granddaughter Aradhya were conspicuous by their absence, giving rise to speculations of an obvious rift in the family. Must state that it all began with Aishwarya's steamy scenes in Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, which did not go down too well with the senior Bachchan and his wife. Well, we wonder if there is any truth to it. Or was it a mere coincidence that Aishwarya was missing from the picture? Let us know what you feel about this whole saga by commenting in the section below.
Kangana Ranaut and Saif Ali Khan seem to have bowed host Karan Johar and left him speechless in his own show Coffee with Karan Season 5. Throughout the episodes, Kangana took pot shots and digs, shocking both Kejo and her Rangoon co-star Saif. But Saif managed to turn the tables in the rapid-fire round with his witty and unimaginable responses. When quizzed what he would do if he is ever trapped in a lift with his wife Kareena Kapoor Khan and ex-wife Amrita Singh, he promptly replied that he would pen a letter to the lift company which would go like, "Dear Otis, thanks a lot, today was unforgettable. Jab they met or something. I hope they don't compare too many notes." While Saif did seem quite shaken by the possibility, we surely are bowled over with his response. Aren't you? Let us know by commenting in the section below.
Coffee couch seemed smoldering with Saif's recent confession at the Coffee with Karan 5 episode, where the Nawab had accompanied his co-star Kangana Ranaut for the promotion of his upcoming film Rangoon. In the coffee shots round, where Saif had to answer in either yes or no. He responded in the affirmative when asked whether he has ever cheated to his partner. Well, this did make some eyebrows raise. and we wonder if it was his ex-wife Amrita or present wife Kareena who was betrayed. While Saif did clear the air saying that it was long time back, it does give a hint that it was Amrita and not Kareena who faced the betrayal. This and a lot more will be revealed in the special Coffee with Karan 5 episode. So, what do you think of Saif's open confession? Let us know by commenting in the section below and keep watching this space for more interesting tidbits from Bollywood. The sultry diva will soon be joining Salman Khan for his Dabangg Tour 2017, which will commence this April. 14 long years ago, Bibs had gone on her very first world tour with the Sultan in the year 2003, and now, more than a decade later, she gets nostalgic and happy as she speaks about the tour. The Dabangg Tour is indeed going places and will rock the stage at Melbourne, Sydney, Auckland, Malaysia and Hong Kong too. Now, that's quite a long list. The ravishing Bongo beauty will be performing some of her evergreen numbers and she's eager to give it her best. Speaking about Salman Khan, she reveals that the two have been close friends for long and she was very much a part of his birthday celebrations. The Dabangg Tour is led by Salman as he ventures internationally and we are sure that he is doing a good job indeed. Don't you think so? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Sanjay Dutt is back in action and so is Ranbir Kapoor with portraying Sanju Baba in his upcoming biopic. We guess all film lovers would love to have a dekho at the life of this Vastav star who later on became the Munna Bhai of Filmistan. Presently busy with his upcoming Bhumi, Sanjay Dutt is shooting in Agra. However, Ranbir's look was captured by the Kapoor fan club. We can only say that Ranbir soon would have to be the Mr. Perfect of Bollywood as he has worked towards looking exactly like Sanjay in his film. Sanjay Dutt, famous for his great body, obviously has had Ranbir working out to get a similar figure, and the pics only show that he has been absolutely successful and prove that when it comes to work and roles, Ranbir पीछे नहीं हटता. We sure are excited to see the rock star turn into Munna Bhai in the biopic. Aren't you? Do let us know. Sofia Hayat created yet another controversy by having a swastika tattoo on her feet. Popular diva who already has really been lambasted for creating controversial situations earlier has now irked the religious sentiments of many by having a swastika tattoo on her feet. According to Sofia, it is not the place where you put the tattoo that matters, it is the intent. She says, her intentions are clear and she has only revered the Almighty by placing it right on her feet when there are so many divine situations where you have tattoos embedded on the feet. She compares the swastika on her feet to a scalpel that a surgeon has and says the surgeon has good intentions in spite of having a weapon with him. Well, it is indeed a controversial situation for a swastika symbolizes religious sentiments and Sofia has attacked exactly that. Sofia says that her last tattoo was her swastika on the feet, which she says is also found on the feet of Buddha. It is the sacred eternal and it is also a self-existence. It is also the Star of David and Islamic moon, which are all symbols of religious sentiments, and having them is like having Pa at your feet, the universal Pa. What do you feel about Sofia Hayat's bold step, and do you really feel that she actually means what she says? How would you feel about a religious symbol being at someone's feet? Do leave your comments. Yes, it's that time of the year when the Sultan is going places. Salman Khan and his Dabangg Tour team is all geared up and ready to entertain like never before on international grounds. Fans are eagerly waiting for the moment to get a glimpse of the Dabangg Khan, and we are sure that this time too the Sultan will break all records. Just yesterday, we had reported that Salman had roped in actor cum host Manish Paul to host and perform at the duo, and the latter was glad to comply. Here, we bring to you glimpses from the Dabang stage which shows the Salman holding a mic, dressed in a casual denim jeans and a signature black shirt. Surrounded by a beehive of dancers and entertainers including Sunil Grover, Salman seems his entertaining best as host Manish Paul smiles in delight. While we update you with the latest happenings from the Dabang tour, hang on for the updates and share your comments in the section below.